Hola! Today I'm going to be sharing what are the highest paying jobs in New Zealand, and those are for software engineers and software developers. I'm going to share what are the salaries, but also I'm going to share what it means to be a junior, an intermediate, or a software developer, software engineer. Hope you enjoy it. So let's go to the point and let's talk about the numbers. A graduate software developer, it's going to be between 40k to 50k. I'm talking about New Zealand dollars. A junior software engineer will go from 50k to 70k. An intermediate will go from 70k to 110k, and a senior will go from 110k to 150k. So of course there's a gap between these salaries, like each salary range in an intermediate, senior, junior or graduate, there's still a gap, and that will make the difference on what are your skills, what's the technology that you're working with, and a lot of different things. Let's talk about that. So let's talk about what it means to be a graduate, a junior, an intermediate or a senior. First of all, let's start that the amount of years that you have been doing something don't necessarily mean that you are senior or junior. It depends what it is that you have been doing in those years. You might be working for a company for 1 year, but in that year maybe you were exposed to do a lot of different things. Or you might be working for a company for 10 years, but every year you have been doing exactly the same. So this is a good time for you to reflect and think of what it is that you have been doing, how you have been doing, but also why you have been doing it. So now let's think about what's your value proposition, how it is that you have been contributing to your team. And that is what will tell you if you're a graduate, a junior, an intermediate or a senior. Usually graduate software developers are people that don't have any work experience and they are looking for their first job, even their first internship maybe. A junior developer is someone that is already working on a few tasks, but it's mainly supported by someone more experienced, telling them how to do things, and they're learning a lot from others. An intermediate, it might be someone that is already doing things on their own, still learning from others, but able to take some maybe technical decisions on how to do some stuff, and being able to take responsibility on a chunk of work. And a senior, it's definitely someone who is able not to have technical skills, solid technical skills, but also needs to be able to communicate very well technical and non-technical stuff to different people in their team, and definitely someone who need to be able to pass their knowledge to other people in the team so they can mentor other junior or intermediate software developers. Again, a senior, it's not just knowing one framework, technology very well, but it's being able to understand what's the problem, what you need to fix, what's the problem to solve, what it is, what customers or end users wanting from that feature or from that application, being able to understand how to put it together into different pieces, and then being able to deliver it and being able to contribute to pass their knowledge to other team members. Of course, every company is different, and in one company you might be a senior, in another company they might consider you as an intermediate or even a junior sometimes. It all depends on how they level the seniority and what they expect from each role. And that's why it's very important for you to understand how you are seen in different organizations and not just yours.